Today is a special day to all of us here within Sandvik Group as it's a grand opening of our facility in Pune. Metrologic DCS is a crucial business unit within Sandvik where we are transforming manufacturing digital quality. Hello everyone, my name is Bhaskar. I'm working in Metrologic DCS as a national manager.
Metrology, as its core, is the science of measurement. It plays a critical role in ensuring precision and quality across manufacturing. In India, we have been steadily strengthening our presence, supporting industries with an advanced measurement solution.
Metrologic DCS is aimed to be a global leader with the merger of Metrologic Group and DCS dimensional control system. This involves creating technological agnostic platforms that connects metrology data from different sensors, metrology devices and production stages into real-time quality loop to achieve manufacturing excellence.